Well, you gotta love when a good mail call comes through, and I've been waiting for this one for a couple of weeks now. Saw the other guys talking about these, and I thought I'd give me a try. So it came in yesterday evening. We're gonna pop this open and take a look. It's the Klein Fastbit Tru-Grip screwdriver. It's a Japanese-made model that's got that old favorite ball grip. I tried those vessels out and I liked them, so this one came along. I'm a Klein tool lover too, so we're gonna try it out and see. Let's open her up and see what's in it. So here it is out of the box. First off, I'm just gonna let you know I got this at Acme Tools, not a sponsor. I'm a little fish, so I don't have any kind of affiliation. I'm just letting you know. I know the guys on some other channels, Morgan's Maintenance and Tools and Tactics, they put some links out and said on Amazon, and then you go over there and they were sold out or unavailable or whatever they were. But I got mine at Acme Tools. It took a week or two to get here. It wasn't overnight shipping, but so yeah, not a sponsor, just letting you know where I got mine at. So there it is. Yeah, I'm gonna test this out later head to head against the some vessel and that ball grip. But I tell you what, I've already used it once just to do some work. I don't want to tell you because I get a bunch of comments about what kind of wrong screwdriver I'm using again, and all these, you know, keyboard home improvement guys or whatever. But no, just kidding, really. So there it is. The Klein Tools got the 1-bit with the Phillips on one end. Not sure why it's not staying focused. And then the straight on the other. So it's just a quick overview, really. I haven't had a chance to put the super test on it yet, but I like it so far. The grip even feels a little better than the vessel. Maybe it's kind of a rounded or a more oblong, more ergonomic, so to speak. But I'm going to take it to work and put it in the bag and run it through the rotation and see what we can do. Feels quality. And of course, Japanese made. You look at the back of the packaging and it's a lot of Japanese. A little bit of Spanish in there. Shows you some different compatibilities. You can put some other, of course, most of your Klein stuff is going to work, I'm sure, since they built it or designed it or sent it to the designer. And then we're going to try out a couple of bits. We're going to try out a couple of other little testers, but there we go. Like I say, I just want to throw a quick one out there right quick. That sounded dumb. Quick one out there right quick. Anyway, guys, have a good one. I'll update you some more. Thanks for watching.